now you can see here the Sanxiang Square, the biggest square in here, and there are events for the marathon tomorrow. I mean next day, the coming day, and here is the Sanxiang Financial Center, financial hub. Here, see the tallest building is the financial center, and I drove my Macau's car, BMW F20 118i, you know, N13. So here people enjoying and taking pictures for tomorrow's, the next day's marathon, and drove my Macau car. Now I'm getting to my Macau car and show you guys. Okay. And here is my car. It's the right one. It's the BMW F20 118i. I got all the Chinese parts with the Chaoyang Chinese tire and SDCX Chinese brake disc, and the Chinese one, all of them Chinese brake disc, brake packed, those kind of things, like the wind here, also those kind of things. The fire, the spark Chinese one. Here's my BMW. You can see I turn the engine on, right? Torch Chinese spark plug as well, as the trying to use the Chinese parts into the car, and it runs very smooth. You can see back my previous video, and now this is the BMW German imported one. But I found one funny thing is that the Fuyao, so the BMW, OEM, the Fuyao Chinese glasses here. The glasses here is Chinese brand and made in China. So even the German car also uses the Chinese glasses. This is the 118i.